guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a Christmas SHEIN haul for you that sadly is a little late, mostly because FedEx didn't get me the stuff here in time. But I wanted to show you because they may be on sale. You don't know, right? I'm in my Christmas jammies because that's how I'm rolling today. All right, let's get started. I have some houseware stuff and then not houseware. But look at this. Beautiful little white porcelain church. You can put a tea light under here. I wouldn't use a lit candle. Maybe an electric tea light. I don't know. I mean, it does have a hole in the top. You know, you could put in here. You'd have to get a metal bottom or put like something there, but one of those smelly cones, and the smoke will come out of the top. You know, the incense cones? Anywho, this beautiful white glass, it's not porcelain, but you know, it's glass, little church figurine. They had many to choose from. So we did receive that. This, you know, guys, I'm going to tell you how I feel. I don't know about this. Wreath. I'm not saying I don't like it because I'm not sure. It's interesting. So the bag is plastic, like a plastic half circle. It's not terrible. It is very plasticky feeling, but I think for next Christmas, I could get a bow put on this and maybe some lights and put it out front, and it definitely would hold up to our winters here. And I quite frankly could put like a blue bow on it or something and put it out for winter, right? It's not terrible. It's just very plastic, but the quality is not bad. There's lots of coverage. I know. So I thought that would be kind of cool. Should I make this my thumbnail? Ooh, let's get that out of my eyeball. Okay, we'll go this way. So I got that. It's okay. It's okay. It's not bad. It's not terrible. This is amazing. Okay, it is faux velvet. Yeah, I think this is more velvet than velour. Either way, it's so soft. And you get the fa la la that is actually stitched on here. I'm going to go back and order another one for I'm going to put this on my bed next year. And they had one that said ho, ho, ho in red. And I think there was a couple more. I'm going back to make an order. And this is faux fur. Like, this is quality. I would pay $20 for this. That's how nice it is. I like it a lot. You need a 12 by 20 lumbar pillow to put in it. It did not come with that. You could also stuff it yourself. I mean, look at this. I can see the embroidery on the inside. But you could just stuff it, but I would recommend, and I'm going to purchase an 11 by 20 pillow. And this is called the lumbar size. But I love it. Quality is spot on. Shook how nice quality that is. And speaking of quality, I got a 3-pack of knit stockings. Guys, like I was anticipating knit print or maybe some like knitting on this side and plain. No. If you hang it on that way, you get the cables. And on the back, there's a different cable pattern. So depending which way you hang it on your mantle, you'll get a different pattern. It came in, and it was a set. Green, this red, and this white. Guys, these are nice. They are not lined, but they are knit all the way down to the tippy toe, right? I think what I might do is get some yarn and embroider like Dub and Alex. I call Wellington Dubby. D-U-B-B-Y, you know, for W, Dub. He's my baby. Or I could just embroider a W on one and an A on the other with like some yarn. So I might do that. I may learn to do an embroidery letter. But you get a 3-pack and they are gorgeous. And they're thick. Quality, again, spot on. I was shocked. Oh, sorry, my eye itches when I opened that. The last thing didn't come yet. So the other thing. So Shein picked out the house, the stockings, the wreath, and a rug. The rug has not arrived. When it comes, I'll show you. I picked out the Fa La La pillow. So I got to pick 2 things. So I picked out the pillow, which I need to go back on here shortly and order the other piece. And then I want to show it to you before I show it to you. It's an embroidery stand for embroidery or cross stitch. And I'm going to have a whole video reviewing 3 of them that I purchased. Is it a picture on the outside here? Yes. So if you can see that picture, yes, it's a stand. It hooks onto the table. Okay. The quality is here, guys. It came with a plastic hoop. I'm not going to use the plastic hoop, but it did come with one. And this may end up getting used for like framing something. So here's the pieces to it. And like I said, I'll have a better video up at another point. Oh, it's cracked. Oh no. Is it cracked through? Yeah. Oh, it's cracked. I'm going to have to let them know. But anyway, so this screws onto the table, right onto a table, and you just screw that up. And then this goes in here. This just drops down. The weight of it holds it and it swivels. And then when you get it to the position in which you want it, you have a little screw in here that tightens this piece, right? So you screw that and it just keeps it from moving. And then for me, you just find your position, right? Where do you want it? And these are all screws that will tighten. And then up here is where your hoop will go. And it's just held on with some wing nuts. So it would not hold, for sure, it's not going to hold a Q-snap. I don't think, unless you got longer screws, which I don't have to try. However, it will hold an embroidery hoop or a nurge. If you have a nurge, which I do, that I'll show you in the video, but I just want to show you real quick. Oh, I'm sad it's cracked. I do have wood glue, so I could probably fix it. I'm thinking for when I go on retreats to take this with me. Oh, I'm like, why isn't it tightening? Because that's turning. Okay, there we go. So, however, and then this tightens here to keep that, you know, in place. So you hook it to your table, and however I'm trying to tighten it down so it stops flopping on me. I wouldn't take this for international travel because it's kind of heavy. My lap stand is definitely lighter than this. It's made out of, I think, basswood. So this hooks onto your table, and then this you put in whatever position so you can two-handed stitch. I know. I need to figure out the situation with the cracked wood. It's not cracked all the way through, so there's that. But yeah. So that's what I got from Shein. And like I said, I know it's already Christmas time when this is coming out. However, I'm wondering if this stuff's on sale. When you go to the link, let's see if it's on clearance. All right, guys, enjoy, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.